Welcome to Hybus News. My name is Suresh Kochatal. India Fund 2 has received a commitment of 75 crore or approximately $10 million from the International Finance Corporation, a member of the World Bank Group. IFC has also committed an additional $10 million for direct co-investments alongside India Fund 2. The partnership with IFC will provide India portfolio companies with financial and strategic support, resulting in increased access to growth opportunities and sustainable scalability. Early stage VC investment volumes in India are markedly lower than VC volumes in countries like US and China. Our investment in VC funds like India helps mobilize capital from other LPs and brings that capital to path-breaking and early stage businesses, said Khun Chang, IFC country head India. India Partners has demonstrated a differentiation in access to high quality pre-series A opportunities in enterprise technology and health tech sectors, he added. India Partners is a seed and early stage venture capital firm investing in IP-led Indian product startups that are globally relevant. India's current portfolio includes Darwinbox, Stridian Semiconductors, Kisht, Switch2Play and Mylan Foundry. India Fund has a corpus target of 500 crore or approximately $65 million and has already completed its first close at 280 crores or $40 million in May 2019. Limited partners in the fund include financial institutions, corporates and family offices across India, Europe and the US. India Fund 2 will seek to invest 16 to 20 startups with an initial check size of $500,000 to $1 million in seed and pre-A series rounds in a planned investment of up to $5 million per company. Founded in 2016 by Satish Andhra, a cardiologist turned investor, Ramesh Bhairapaneni and Abhishek Srivastav, India added on Abhiram Katta to its top deck in 2018 and most recently expanded its investment team by hiring Deepesh Chawla and Lakshmi Kancharala. We are excited to have won IFC's support and backing. We value IFC's vast global presence across geographies that could offer future expansion markets to our portfolio companies. We are also delighted to have a co-investment envelope from IFC that could be used to support our ventures as they scale up, said Satish Andhra, partner at India Partners.
Delighted to let you all know about IFC's investment in India Partners Fund 2. Sincere thanks to Ms. Ruchira Shukla and her entire IFC team for diligently working with us during these surreal times to get us to the finish line. Apart from direct investment, IFC also has set aside additional $10 million for co-investment along with India Partners. India and its portfolio will significantly benefit from IFC's global network as well as growth capital. From the very beginning of our journey, India's focus has been on disruptive product startups in technology and healthcare verticals. Apart from writing the first institutional check, we very actively work with the founding teams to launch products, help them get first set of customers, hire relevant people in the core team, as well as refine the business plan to attract growth capital. As they all say, never let a crisis go waste. With renewed enthusiasm and energy, we look forward to investing in many more exciting startups in the next 1 to 2 years.
India's investment strategy addresses a funding gap in the venture capital spectrum in India between the angel and Series A investments, enabling entrepreneurs to find a value-accretive partner to further the development of their vision to build a sustainable business model. India is able to effectively add value through our concept and market validation, product launch, team building, business model refinement, customer and partner acquisition, and follow-on funding. While the industry averages date about 30% of its seed deals to go on to raise follow-up capital, 75% of India's portfolio has raised follow-on rounds. This showcases the team's ability to source, screen, select and nurture quality early stage startups, adds Satish. India Fund 1 was a 2016 vintage fund with rupees 175 crores or $25 million corpus and had invested in 12 portfolio companies. Thank you for watching.